Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Ebin Jose and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about DM Interventional Radiology program at JNMC Belgaum, also known as KLE Belgaum. So this is one of the few institutes in the country that is giving you a head-to-toe exposure of interventional radiology under a single roof. And also this is one of the few institutes that has head-to-toe and has no bond. So today my friend Dr. Satyam, who is a final year DM resident at JNMC Belgaum, will tell us more about the program over there.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Satyam Barcha. I am a third year DM resident in Interventional Radiology in Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College in Belgaum, also known as KLE Hospital. I will be speaking in brief about the college in general for DM Interventional Radiology course and what you should expect if you join here. So the DM Interventional Radiology course here is through NEET SS and there are 2 seats. The fees is 12 lakhs per year, so a total of 36 lakhs for 3 years. You can get an accommodation here. The hostel is really nice, but it's also paid and it costs around 1.6 lakhs per year. There is no bond here and you are not expected to stay after you finish your course. The salary is 69,000 for the first year, 75,000 for the second year and 80,000 for the third year. So it's an extensive coverage of head-to-toe interventions. We do both vascular and non-vascular interventions. The non-vascular work is also done by the diagnostic radiology department, so there will be a less number of cases, but still by the end of 3 years you'll be able to do a lot of work there. The vascular section, we cover neuro interventions, peripheral interventions, which is a major chunk of the course here. It includes peripheral vascular disease, DVT interventions, varicose veins interventions, and practically all the venous or arterial interventions you read or you hear about. We also have gastro and onco interventions, but the number of cases is slightly less compared to the neuro and peripheral vascular interventions. But still, again, at the end of 3 years, I think there will be an enough number of cases. The clinching point about taking here is the academics. It's a state-of-the-art academic system, and we have at least 3 or 4 sessions weekly, which include case discussions, seminars, journal clubs, and case like there's a grand rounds at the end of the week where we discuss each and every case we did in that week, which is very informative and it never ends actually, and you get to learn a lot of it, a lot of the work through these academics. We also have a thesis, and you have to select your own topic. You can do whatever you want. You can discuss with the consultants about the thesis topic. And we also have an option to go in a lot of conferences and present papers, posters, or whatever publication you want to make. We are always more motivated for that. We have 3 months of postings elsewhere, that is the peripheral postings. We go to 1 month for onco interventions in Tata Memorial, Mumbai. We go for 1 month in CMC Vellore, and we also have an optional 1 month posting at an international institute, but it's not part of the curriculum, but we are allowed to do that, which I don't think anybody else or most of the institutes allow. So we have to go by ourselves. There's no funding, but then it's a very good option if you're really interested in having an international exposure. So to summarize it, it's a very good intervention place with a huge number of cases. Not as much as the other government colleges or like the Apex institutes, but it's like really enough hands-on, and I don't think anybody will regret about the hands-on, and especially the academics, and with an additional international exposure, which is again like a special thing about it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.